Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my backlot in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Latest arrival just got here this evening. This car is from Florida, Ford Fusion Hybrid, here for the transmission replacement. Now, just got the car in. I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear what it sounds like. Let me flip this. All right, here we are inside. This car has 127,000 miles on it, and they have the stator bearing sound. All right, so you hear that? That is the failed stator bearing. They're also reporting a grinding noise. Let me shut this down. They're also reporting a grinding noise at slower speeds between 10 and 35 miles an hour, and that is usually the differential bearing going bad, and that grinding you're hearing is the sounds like a scraping, like a bad brake rotor. Many of you have reported that before, but this has got both of them going on. So like I said, this is a Fusion SE. Let me see what year this is. 2018. So we've been seeing a lot more 18s coming in. A little surprising there, but we'll get this one taken care of. So 2018, 127,000 miles. We're going to put a transmission in tomorrow, and you can follow us along for the repair. All right, here we are underneath the car. You want to shake that axle? Got some movement in there.
A little
bit of movement. So we're about to drain the fluid. It's very clean under here. Most of these we see a lot of fluid leak coming out the axle seal. Apparently the fluid has not been changed, so we are gonna see here all together.
How bad is it about to be? Not terrible.
Not terrible. Still got some red color to it. How are we looking on the...
Yep. You see that little trail right there? That's all.
Oh yeah,
that's all metal shavings.
Yeah. Well, we know by the noise of this transmission that it has failed, and it also has the bucking. But pretty clean case underneath of here. Doesn't smell that great either.
Cool. No.
All right, but we'll get this going. All right, the transmission is out of the car. There's the car on the lift. We've already put it back in the core crate here, but nothing really to point out. It did not chew through the case or anything. You know, just had that terrible noise, just internal failure. We're not going to open it up. This is the new transmission. Right now it's marinating. What we do is we flip them on their backside so those stator bearings can get transmission fluid in them before we install it. What we found that if we don't do this, you can get a little bit of a noise coming from the transmission prematurely. So we make sure that we marinate them. Sometimes they're a little bit louder on startup just because they're new, but this takes the extra step to make sure they're still lubricated. So tomorrow morning, we'll be putting the new transmission into the car. Everything else is going pretty smoothly on it. It's a rust-free Florida car. As you can see, there's the dampener there. That's still in good shape. No scoring or anything. Everything else is real clean. All right, so stay with us on this one. I want to give an update. Here it is. This is a Florida car. New transmission's in. Got the axles in. Got the mounts. You can see the difference there in the color. Just getting everything buttoned up. We still got to do the whole top side. Got the subframe back in. Suspension bolted back up. But everything's looking good. Everything's going pretty smooth. And we'll get it started up here shortly, and we'll get that on video. All right, got it all back together. Let's go ahead and start it. Nice and quiet. So you hear more engine noise than anything else. Transmission, go ahead and put it in reverse. And then back up. And it moves. So we're going to take it on a test drive now. Go ahead and turn it off. So that's a complete job. That's a 48-hour swap. Got it done. We're going to go put about 40 miles on it right now. Recheck the coolant levels, check the oil level. And then it'll be all back to the customer. So we'll do a follow-up once it's back with its test drive. All right, just finishing up here with the job. Here's the Fusion, all ready to go back home to its customer in Florida. They're going to be picking it up here in a couple of hours. We just got done our test drive, topping off the coolant and everything. So that's the complete job that we do here. Now, if you need this service done, you can reach out to me directly at hybridandelectriccarsales.com. You can call me on the phone at 615-802-5550. Or you can check us out in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. There's a store behind me, shops in the back. You all have a great day, and thanks for sticking with us.